Now next here compound cylinder is given. In next problem what is given? Compound cylinder is given. In compound cylinder conduction as well as convection is there. I already told you what is conduction. If solid to solid, if heat transfer is there, that one is known as conduction. If solid to liquid or liquid to gas, if heat transaction will take place, that one is known as convection. So as you can see here, this is conduction, this is conduction, here convection is there and here convection is there. Diagram will be not given, you have to draw the diagram. I will tell you how to draw that one. So first once I will read the question. Here what is given? Hot air at a temperature of 65 degree. Hot air, one air is there, hot air is there. How much temperature is there? 65 degree is flowing through a steel pipe. So first you have to draw the rough diagram. First you have to try to draw the rough diagram. For drawing rough diagram, what is given? First one, hot air is given. So this one you have to take as the hot air. Okay, no, this one is hot air. Inside what is there? Hot air is there. Okay, now inside what is there? Hot air is there. Which pipe it is? Steel pipe it is given. Which pipe it is given? Steel pipe. Inside hot air is given. So inside, if hot air is there, like that indication you have to do. Like this indication you have to represent. This one is the hot air and this one is known as the steel pipe. This one is known as the steel pipe. In steel pipe, hot air is there, normal air is there, no need to consider. If hot air is there, you have to consider. This one is known as convection and this one is known as conduction. This one is known as convection and this one is known as conduction. You have to remember that one. The hot air at a temperature of 65 degree is flowing through a steel pipe of 120 mm. The diameter of this steel pipe, how much it is given? 120 mm. Diameter of the steel pipe is given. So here I will write the diameter. Diameter is equal to how much it is given? 120 mm. So first you have to convert into the radius. Let it be this one. How to find out diameter is given. After that what you have to do? After that you have to find out the value of R1. R1 is equal to D1 by 2. That is 120 mm divided with 60. 120 mm divided with 2, how much it is? 60 mm. So here you got the value of R1. Here you got the value of R1. R1 is equal to how much? 60 mm. R1 is equal to how much? 60 mm. After that what is given? Diameter. The pipe is covered with 2 layers. Here how many layers are there? 2 layers. The pipe is covered with 2 layers of different insulating material. 2 layer means this one is the first layer. This one is your pipe. It is covered with 1 layer and this one is the another layer. This one is the another layer. The pipe is covered with 2 layers. Okay, now 60 mm and 40 mm thickness is given. So here to here diameter should not given 60 mm. This is 60 mm is given and this one is equal to 40. First one is the 60 and second one is the 40. First one is the 60 and second one is the 40 mm and their corresponding thermal conductivity. Corresponding thermal conductivity means Ka value is given and what is given? Kb value is given. Ka value is given and what is given? Kb value is given. The inside and outside heat transfer coefficient. This is the first time introduced. Heat transfer coefficient. Heat transfer coefficient is designated with Hi and Ho. Heat transfer coefficient. Hi is equal to how much? 60 watt per meter degree centigrade and Ho is equal to how much? 12 watt per meter degree centigrade and Ka you have to take. Ka is equal to how much? 0.24 watt per meter degree centigrade and Kb is how much you have to take? Kb is equal to how much you have to take? It is given 0.4 watt per meter degree centigrade. Okay, na? Hi, Ho, Ka, Kb. Here meter square will be there. The unit of this one is meter square. The unit of this one is meter square. The unit of this one is meter square. Okay, na? So here as you can see here. So here as you can see Hi is equal to 60 watt per meter square degree centigrade and Ho is equal to, this is inside, this one is outside. First time this is given. Okay, na? When this will given, when conduction will be there, what will be there? Convection will be there, then only this given. This is for conduction, this one for conduction. If K value is given, that means conduction. If Hi and Ho value is given, that means convection. You have to remember, by seeing unit only you can identify. So here 60 watt per meter degree centigrade, Ho is equal to 12 watt per meter degree centigrade. After that Ka is given 0.24 watt per meter degree and Kb is given. Kb is equal to how much it is given? 0.4 watt per meter degree centigrade. Hi, Ho, Ka, kb, and r1 is given. R1 is equal to how much is given? 60 mm. How you got the r1? Diameter is given. Diameter of a steel pipe. Diameter of a steel pipe. Diameter of a steel pipe, how much it is? 120 mm. So r1 is equal to dy by 2. Later on you can convert into meter. First try to find out the r1, r2, r3. Then after that, what is given? Respectively, the atmosphere is at 20 degree. The atmosphere is at 20 degrees. So atmosphere means this one you have to take. This one, this one is equal to how much? 20 degree. This one is equal to how much? 20 degree. The temperature of this one is equal to how much? 20 degree. Inside air temperature is also given. In starting, inside air temperature is given. How much inside air temperature is given? See, as you can read the question. Here, hot air at a temperature of 65 degree. In starting, here inside temperature is equal to how much it is given? 65, and outside temperature of this one is equal to how much it is given? 20 degrees. So what you have to do? Inside air temperature you have to take as Ti. Inside air temperature you have to take as Ti, and this one you have to take as T1. This one you have to take as T2, and this one you have to take as T3. This is T1. Wherever the conduction is there, T1, T2, T3, and here you have to take as TO. TO means outer temperature, inside temperature, outer temperature. This is convection, this one is convection, this is conduction, conduction will be there. Sorry, this one is conduction and this one is also conduction. T1, T2, and this one is the T3. T1, T2, and this one is the T3. Ti is the inner temperature, TO is the outer temperature. So here he is asking, find the rate of heat loss. He is asking to find the rate of heat loss from 60 meter length is given. In this question, what is given? Length is also given. Length is equal to how much it is given? 60 meter is given. First try to find out the value of R1, R2, R3. R1 is already with you. How to find out the value of R2? R2 means from diameter. How much diameter is given? 120. 120 half is equal to how much? 60. 60 plus 60, how much it will be? 120. 60 plus 60, how much it will be? 120. So R2, how much you got? 120. Next one you have to find out the R3. R3 means here 60 will be there. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 40. 120 plus 40, how much it is? 160 mm. 160 mm. You got the value of R1, R2, R3. Now this R1, R2, R3 you have to convert into meter. For that what you have to do? R1 is equal to how much? 60 divided by 1000. 60 divided by 1000. So here you will get 0.06 meter. How much you will get? R1. I will write here. R1 is equal to 60 divided by 1000. So here you will get 0.06 meter. The answer should be in meter. Here you got the value of R1. Next you have to find out the value of R2. Next you have to find out the value of R2. R2 is equal to how much it is given? 120. 120 mm divided with 1000. 120. So here you will get 0.12 meter. This one is your R2. Next if you want to find out the R3. R3 is equal to how much? 160. 160 mm divided with 1000. The answer should be 0.16 meters. 0.16. This is R1, this one is R2, and this one is R3. This one is R1, this one is R2, and this one is R3. You got the value of R1, R2, and R3. This is the value of Ka, this is Kb, and this is Hi, and this one is HO. R1, R2, R3, Ka, HO, HB. These are the things are given. Next, what you have to do means next you have to find the rate of heat loss. Find the rate of heat loss. For that you have to create the formula. Find the rate of heat loss. For that you have to create the formula. See here, whenever compound cylinder is given, the formula will be somewhat like this. Q is equal to 2 pi L. Q is equal to 2 pi L. Initial temperature minus final temperature. Initial temperature is internal temperature. Final temperature is outer temperature. Initial temperature is internal temperature. Final temperature is outer temperature. Initial temperature is internal temperature. Final temperature is outer temperature. By here what you have to do? How many components are there? One. See, first one, second one. First we will take the conduction. How many conduction components are there? Ka and Kb. First we will target about the conduction. Here you have to write in R2 by R1 by you can write as Ka, then plus in here you can write R3 by R2 by, then you have to write Kb in R2 by R1 by Ka in R3 by RT by Kb. After that, these two are the conduction. This is the conduction and this is the conduction. This is made up of some material insulator and this one is also made up of some material insulator. It is not given, but Ka and Kb value is given. As you can see, inside is convection is there. What is there? Convection. And outside is also what is there? Convection. Inside convection is there and outside also convection. For convection, what you have to do? 1 by Hi plus R1. See, 1 by Hi R1, and here what you have to do? 1 by HO and R last. What is the R last here? R1, R2, R3. So here you can take R3. Final R you have to take. So 1 by Hi. This is for convection, conduction, and this one is for convection. Okay, na here convection, conduction, and convection. So like this you have to take. Like this you have to take. After this, substitute the value. What is the value? 2 write down as it is, pi write down as it is. L value is given in your question. L value is given in your question. L value already it is given in meter. How much it is given? 60 meter. L value how much it is given? 60 meter. So substitute here L value. Then initial temperature. Initial temperature is equal to how much? 65. Initial temperature is equal to how much? 65. Then final temperature. Final temperature means outside temperature. Outside temperature. Outside temperature is equal to how much? 20 degree. Outside temperature is equal to 20 degree by. Then you have to write 1 by HI 1 by HI. So here I will write 1 by HI value is there. As you can see here, HI value is 60 and R1 value is equal to how much? 0.06. 60 into 0.06. 60 into 0.06. Then in of, this is R2 by R1. R2 value is equal to 0.12. R1 value is 0.06. So here you can write 0.12 by 0.06. 0.06 by Ka value. Ka value, as you can see, I wrote the value of Ka 0.24. Here you have to write 0.24 plus in of, next one is the in of R3 by R2. R3 value 0.16. R3 value is equal to 0.16. Next one is the R2 value. R2 value is equal to 0.12 by, this one you have to take as Kb. This one you have to take as Kb. Kb value is equal to how much? 0.41. Kb value is equal to plus 1 by HO. HO is equal to how much? 12. And R3 is equal to how much? 0.16. Like this you have to substitute. And you have to draw the phase diagram also. This one is known as the phase diagram. What I drawn there for explanation purpose. Like this you have to draw. Like this you have to draw. See, as you can see the inside, this one is known as the hot air. As you can see the inside, this one is known as the hot air, and whatever the temperature is there inside, that one is known as Ti. Whatever the temperature is there inside, that one is known as the Ti, inside temperature. After that, this one is known as the steel pipe. After that, this one is known as the steel pipe. This one is known as the steel pipe. After that, this one is the some insulator is there. Name of the material is not given. Some insulator is given. K value is given. Then another insulator is there. Different type of insulator is there. This one is known as the another. Kb value is given. This first insulator you are assuming as A, and the second insulator you are assuming as B. First insulator you are assuming as A, and the second insulator you are assuming as B. After that, here convection is there. Convection, how much temperature is given? 20 degree, and here inside is known as, inside convection is known as Hi and outside convection is known as HO. Inside and outside convection is there. So inside convection is known as Hi and outside convection is known as HO. After that, whatever the diameter is given, diameter as you can see 120 mm is given. Let it be in mm. Later on you will get the value of R1, R2, R3. After that, simultaneously you can convert into meter. So the diameter you have to convert into radius. 120 by 2. How much R1 is equal to? 60 mm. How R1? After getting R1 for the first insulator, how much it is given? 60. 40 plus 60 is equal to how much? 40 plus 60 is equal to how much? And 60 plus 60. This one is 60 and this one is also 60. Later on 40 is there. So 60 plus 60 is equal to how much? 120. Then after 120, then 40 will be there. After 120, 40 will be there. So how much it is? 160. So R1 is 60, R2 is 120 and R3 is also 160 mm is given. This one is also mm, this one is also in mm, this one is also mm. So what you have to do? R1 divided by 60 you will get 0.06 meter. R2 divided by 60 you will get 0.12 meter. R3 divided with 1000 you will get like this. Mm you have to convert into meter. Mm you have to convert into meter. Mm you have to convert into meter. After that you have to create this formula as I already told you. Q is equal to 2 pi L is constant, initial temperature minus final temperature. What is the initial temperature? Ti. What is the final temperature? To. G. Whatever the air temperature is there inside, that one you have to take as the initial temperature, and whatever the after conduction temperature is there, that one you have to take as the outside temperature. So initial temperature minus final temperature, initial temperature minus final temperature. After that 1 by HIRI, this is 1 by HORE. See, this is convection, this is convection. How many materials are there in between that? 2 material are there. First material you name as A, second material you name as B. So first material you name as A, second material you name as B. Inside hot air is there. So 1 by HIRA Ri plus 1 by HO R3. Why R3 here? Outer temperature is R3, outer insulator is R3 only. So this one you have to take. After that you know the value of everything if you substitute, but in single step also you will get the answer. But try to solve by step by step. Try to solve by step by step. After that, what you have to do? You have to solve. Q is equal to 2 into pi, 120 pi. You can write this one 120 pi. You can see here 60 into 2. 60 into 2, 120, 120 into pi. So you have to multiply this 120 into pi into, if you subtract this one, how much? 65 minus 20. So you will get answer 5400 pi. Here how much answer? 5400. This one you can write as pi, 5400 pi, 5400 pi. After that 1 divided by 60 into 0.06, 1 divided by, first you have to solve this one, 60 into 0.06. So here you are getting answer 8 by 50, that is 3 point, here 1 by 3.6. How much you are getting answer? 1.3, 1 by 3.6. Then try to solve this one. Here what is given? In of 0.12 by 0.06, 0.12 by 0.06, 0.693. 0.693, divided by, what is the value? This one 0.24 plus, next one you have to solve this value. What is the value here? As you can see, 0.16 divided by 0.12. If you close this one, 0.287, 0.287 by, this is the value 0.41 plus 1 by, next value is equal to, as you can see, 12 into 0.16. So 12 into 0.16, 12 into 0.16, 1.92 here, 1.92. Like this you got the value. Like this you got the value. You have to find out the value of Q. So Q is equal to, this one you write as it is 5400 pi by, now this one 1 by, this is the value how much? 1 divided by 3.6. So here 0.2778 plus, if you solve this one, how much value is there here? 0.6931 plus 0.24, 0.6931 plus 0.24. So how much you will get? 0.9331 plus, next value is how much is there? 0.287 divided by 0.41. How much you will get? 0.7 plus 1 divided by 1.92, 1 divided by 1.92, So here you will get 0.520. If you add this one, 0.2778 plus 0.9331 plus 0.7 plus 0.520, then you will get like this answer, 2.4309. Q is equal to 5400 pi by 2.4309. So here Q is equal to what? 5400 into pi, answer divided by 2.4309. So here you will get 6976954. See here, 0.6931 divided by 0.24. Here you will get 0.288. After that, if you add this term, this term, this term, this term, you will get 4.3778. If you divide this one, see how much there? 5400 into pi. 5400 into pi divided by 4.3778. So here you are getting 3850. How much you are getting? 3850.14. The unit is what? The unit is what? But in this problem he is not asking to find out the kilojoule per hour. Suppose he is asking to find out the kilojoule per hour. What you have to do? You have to multiply with 36 answer into 3600 by 1000. So answer should be in kilojoule per hour. The answer should be in kilojoule per hour. Like this you have to solve. This one is the T1, this one is the T2. Then he is asking to find out the intermediate temperature. But in this problem he is not asking to find out the intermediate temperature. Suppose he is asking to find out the intermediate temperature. What you have to do? Q is equal to 2 pi L. Initial temperature Ti, you know very well. Then here what you have to write? T1. What you have to write here? T1. You have to find out the value of T1. So in between Ti and T1, only what is coming here? See here. In between Ti, see what you have to write? 1 by Hi Ri. 1 by Hi Ri. Suppose he is asking to find out the T1. So here with the help of this formula you will get the value of T1. With the help of this formula you will get the value of T1. Suppose if you want to find out the T2, if you want to find out the T2, so what you have to do? See here, T1 minus T2. In between that what is there? T1 minus T2. T1 minus T2. What is there in between that? In of R1 by R2 by what you have to take here? Ka. In of R1 by R2 by what you have to take? Ka. Then if you want to find out from this you will get the value of T2. If you want to find out T3, then what you have to do? T3 minus here T3. You want to find out the T3. So T2 minus T3. In between that what is there? In of R3. R3 by R2 by, here you have to write down the Ka. In of R2 by R3. With the help of this, you know this one, this one, this one, this one, except T3. From this you will get the value of T3. But in this question he is not asking to find out the intermediate temperature. If intermediate temperature is not given, directly you can find out the T and you can stop there. But if intermediate is given, you have to create with the help of basic formula, you have to create like this. Okay now?